Well, I'm in a 2021 Nissan Versa, and today I'm going to show you how to adjust your date and time for your interface. So first, make sure your vehicle's on, which this is, and your display's lit up. But then here from your main menu, you can go to Settings, and then Clock. And then here you can switch between 12-hour or the 24-hour times. You can choose if you want it displayed here or not. Here in the date format, you can show how you'd like your date displayed. And then if you need to adjust the time manually, set clock manually, and then through here you can just adjust forward or backwards the time is needed, your AM or PM, and then just go through the whole list. You can adjust the year and all that, and then it'll just auto save once you change it however you want it to. But I hope this was helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day.